Hello everyone, good morning to all. Today I have a presentation on a reflection on the importance of entrepreneurship in tourism development. And this is Kavya MB, Research Scholar, PG Department of Economics, Field Marshal KM Karyappa College, Madikeri. Well, in this presentation, I have the contents like introduction, meaning, theoretical background, literature review, research gap, objective of the study, present scenario of Indian tourism, tourism and its key role in economic development, entrepreneurship and tourism industry, entrepreneurial opportunities in the tourism industry, findings, conclusion, and lastly, references of my paper. Well, we move on to the introduction part. Tourism is considered as a potentially sustainable industry and plays a significant role in the development of society at different levels and is seen as an important step to achieve sustainable development. Entrepreneurs play an important role in sustaining tourism and formulation of sustainable strategies, being the initiators of the tourism business and the engine of the local development. Therefore, it is necessary to stimulate the development of entrepreneurial activities for the recovery of tourism potential and regional traditions, maintaining local employment growth and increase living standard in line with identifies needs and priorities of regional human resource development. Entrepreneurship in tourism is considered a central force of economic development as it generates growth and brings innovation and change. Driven by increasing wealth and economic development, tourism is one of the most rapidly growing industries worldwide. Meaning, entrepreneurship is a vast concept. The concept of entrepreneurship has a long and rich tradition within economic system. The root of the word entrepreneur can be traced 800 years back to the French verb entreprendre, which means to undertake. The concept of entrepreneur in the economic system was first acknowledged by an economist, Richard Cantillon, in 1682-1734. He formally defines the entrepreneur as the agent who buys means of production at certain prices in order to combine them into a new product is uncertainty. By engaging in arbitrage and bearing risk, the entrepreneur has an equilibrating function within the economic system. Theoretical background. Grounded theory was developed by Barney Glasser and Anselm in 1967 in the context of a complex Gold Coast tourism industry based on the lived experiences of those entrepreneurs and entrepreneurial self engagers in pursuing activities for establishment and maintenance of a sustainable tourism venture. Literature review. Conducting a literature review is significant in research study to gain familiarity with the concept and theory of tourism entrepreneurship development in rural areas, which would help in conducting the study and interpreting the findings and recommendations. The literature studies that have been conducted reveal the impact of tourism entrepreneurial activities in rural areas of India and abroad. During the literature review, it is noticed that the term tourism entrepreneurship has a significant role to play in bringing rural empowerment. In this research work, review of literature is classified into two categories. The one is review related to tourism and the other one is the review literature related to the entrepreneurship. On the basis of literature review, we find out the research gap. Tourism industry has emerged as one of the important and fastest growing service industry contributing to the economy of India. Though several researchers have studied tourism sector from different perspectives, very few have to attempt to understand how the tourism has impacts on the entrepreneurship, the cultural heritage, natural resources, hospitality management, services, and supportive civil society have resulted in the development of the tourism sector. In order to fill this gap, the present study has been undertaken to analyze the importance of entrepreneurship in tourism development. Objectives of the study. The aim of the study is to identify the importance of entrepreneurship in tourism development. To achieve the purpose of the study, following objectives are set in the study. That is, to examine the importance of entrepreneurship in tourism development, and the other one is to examine the opportunities of entrepreneurship from tourism. Present scenario of Indian tourism. Tourism has become a popular global leisure activity. After 1990s, tourism sector has been boosted up all over the world. Today, tourism is the largest service industry in India with a contribution of 6.23% of the national GDP and providing 8.78% of the total employment. India witnesses more than 5 million foreign tourist arrivals and 562 million domestic tourist visits. Tourism industry in India generated about US dollar 100 billion in 2008 and that is expected to increase to US dollar 275.5 billion by 2018 at a 9.4% annual growth rate. And this table shows that domestic tourist visitors to different states of India. Tourism and its key role in economic development. This figure shows that the conceptual model for tourism industry and destination development in Nigeria. Impact of the tourism industry on the economy can be cited as follows. Enter the foreign exchange, employment in many fields, dynamic retail market, activation of airports and transportation systems, increasing investment, increasing local production and industry such as handicraft and culture products and so on, increasing investment in the private sector like build hotels and other related services. This slide shows that the contribution of tourism to GDP in India. The references year of 2013 to 14, 14 to 15 and 15 to 16. Entrepreneurial opportunities in the tourism industry. Entrepreneurship in tourism in the origin and nature are not different from entrepreneurship in urban areas or economic sectors. But the inputs required for the development of entrepreneurship, such as investment, management, training, and technology in other industries, can be found more easily from tourism industry. In today's world of tourism is as one of the largest and most profitable sectors of the world economy has become. Opportunities in accommodations such as hotels, motels, inns, campings. Recreational opportunities, park, amusement park, beach sports, sport facilities. Transportation opportunities, travel agents, taxi, rent. Basic opportunities, cafes, buffers, carriages and shops. There is a M number of opportunities in tourism industry. Findings. Findings are divided into three ways. The one is the challenges in tourism entrepreneurship development. Community mobilization, lack of basic infrastructure, inadvocacy of available resources, the main challenges in tourism entrepreneurship. In advocacy of various economic resources such financial support, talented skilled laborers, modern technical equipment to implement any development strategy effectively and efficiently. The second one is the opportunities for entrepreneurship. The existence of a period of economic growth favorable to the development of tourism. The increase of the number of investments interested in the tourism, the appearance and development of some clusters with role in the sustenance and promotion of tourism corroborated with other industries from a certain region. creating and developing some forms of promoting the local and regional identity, creating some alternatives of capitalization of opportunities for the Nikkei tourism. The appearance of some programs meant for the development of female entrepreneurship in the rural area. And there is so many opportunities for entrepreneurship in tourism industry. The last one is solution for the development of the entrepreneurship in the tourism industry. The development of small home and community businesses. The second point is policy in attract investment in domestic and foreign. To train tour guides, protection of innovations, invention and revolutionary innovations in tourism, emphasis on teaching and research in developing entrepreneurship. The sixth one is the establishment of an entrepreneurship classes for tourism managers, training entrepreneurship to employees of cultural heritage, handicraft and tourism organization. Lastly, I conclude my presentation on the following points. Tourism industry constantly is growing due to the changing market demand facing provide suitable context for entrepreneurship. But realizing this subject is the time when many intellectuals transfer their results and experiences in the field of entrepreneurship to younger generations interested in entrepreneurship. But this should not oblivious influence of the entrepreneurs because they can show fresh new ideas about hotel industry in order to promote this industry. Many participants in this industry should look towards the tourism younger generation directing to entrepreneurship. And this is references of my paper. Thank you one and all. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.